Hi, I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel. I want to thank all you old timers for hanging with me for my so-so videos of shakiness and screwing them up. And I'm out here in the woods. This is river bottom. There's usually a pond here, but this has been flooded since a year ago. Pretty now. I've been hacking in our trail. I see if I can keep the bone stable, unlike me. That's not too stable. This is a continuation of that trail I made this winter. This one here I've been wanting to put in probably, I don't know, 15 years, 20 years. I'm almost done. But I might call it a day. I did sell a face sort of wood today. The guy came and picked it up. He hauled it. I got $70 for it. I'm not complaining. So I got about from here down the road. I got about one more tree to take out, the little one right there, and go underneath that orange ribbon, and it'll be there. This one ain't been too bad. I started it this morning. Came to get some more ash or aspen, but that didn't work out. I got to come back and get my iron saw. I walk with you guys. This is a trail DNR wanted, forestry, in case of a fire. I wanted it too. Had my wife with me, so I brought her chair out for her to sit and be comfy. To keep me company. Through here it's kind of brushy. I have not touched this yet. I've been trying to get through it. Maybe tomorrow I can get it. This mess is from the brother-in-law yet. Yes, I'm out of breath. I've been working. My sinuses are all plugged up in my nostrils. You see, that's where the trail from this winter is. We can go from one end of the property to the other end of the property. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share. We shall catch you again. Thanks.